A very simple, easy to follow, and well balanced diet plan for your healthy pregnancy. So let's start. Breakfast: oatmeal with fruits and nuts, whole grain toast with avocados and egg. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, whole grains wrapped with hummus and veggies. Snack: Greek yogurt with berries. Dinner: grilled salmon with roasted veggies, quinoa and black bean bowl with lean ground beef. Additional tips: drink plenty of the water throughout the day. Avoid caffeine. Avoid raw or undercooked meat, fish, eggs. Avoid high mercury fish like shark, swordfish, king mackerel. Avoid excessive sugar and saturated fat. Remember, this is a general guide and your healthcare provider may have specific recommendation based on your individual's need. Always consult with your healthcare professional or dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and comment below which topic I explain next.